Ever wondered what an AI agent really is? And why everyone's calling it the next big thing? Stick around. I'll explain it in 10 minutes. No jargon. Let's go. Think of it as your personal digital assistant that learns and adapts. First up, what is an AI agent? In simple terms, it's an autonomous software that senses, thinks, and acts to complete tasks without needing to be told each step. Perceive, grabs info via sensors or apps plan, and decide. Reasons through it act, sends emails, books travel, orders groceries. That's why big names OpenAI, Butterfly Effect, Salesforce are racing to build them according to IBM and AWS. AI agents autonomously perform tasks on behalf of a user. Choose the best actions to meet goals. But what makes an AI agent different from a simple chatbot? AI agents can initiate actions, search the web, fill forms, troubleshoot errors. It gets cooler. Modern AI agents are agentic AI. They can plan, learn from feedback, and even adjust goals. Here are the 3 magic ingredients: memory, tools, entitlements. That means access to apps, web actions, databases. Memory gives remembers past steps, tools gives can invoke apps, and apps entitlement gives has permissions. All right, real-world examples time. OpenAI operator, books tickets, orders groceries via browser. Butterfly Effects Manus, writes code, builds websites. Salesforce Agentforce, automates sales workflows. These aren't sci-fi. They're live now, helping with tasks at scale. Under the hood, AI agent equals LLM plus decision engine plus tools plus feedback. Loop, observe gives gather data. Web, API, sensors. Reason gives plan steps using AI. Act gives interacts with tools. Loops back on results. They're rational agents, always optimizing for goals, like a taxi driver taking the best route. Even thermostats are simple agents, but these new ones are smart, adaptive, and scalable. Why does this matter? Agentic AI is predicted to transform everything from customer support to creative workflows. 24/7 customer help, personal stylists. LVMH and Diane von Furstenberg. Supply chain automation, marketing ideation with agentic AI. Brands get invisible and visible intelligence, powering both back-end ops and customer-facing magic. All that's great, but not perfect. Here are the top risks. Reliability. Mistakes can happen. Trust and ethics. Bias. Data privacy. Governance. Who's accountable if it fails? Guardrails are vital, so companies must prioritize transparency and oversight. So, what does it mean for you? Automate repetitive personal tasks. Turn ideas into actions fast. Scale your business or content creation like a pro. Want to build your own AI agent? Like, comment, and subscribe to WhatsNext YouTube channel. I'll show you how next time.